Guys, this is the video I promised for yesterday. But my friend was too scared, so I have to do it with my other friends. Hello!
Hi.
This is my friend Dodo on YouTube. He's got 28 subs, so he is more popular than me. Everybody scream because he's popular.
No, look. This is the camera mod.
Yeah,
How do you use it?
You can get the look, there's mods here. Mod menu.
Oh, mod menu.
I don't know how
Oh,
to get it though. Very basic. Oh, there's nothing. Okay, so guys, basically, Lab Monkey is a very scary, creepy game that
Wait, how do I
we
use
have
the camera
not,
mod?
or I have from my other friend, but he's too scared, so we're gonna tell him to go away. No one
got
likes
it.
him. And we got the camera mod. How'd you get it? How'd you get it?
I don't know. I just pressed all the buttons. Oh no, you probably just. Yeah. Oh my god. Flying. Oh. Oh, okay.
Okay, it's fine. Let's go. Okay. I know how to go into a game. I think it's a bit slower to run this than like, but okay. Choose a map. The three scariest. I've got the camera on. The three scariest is school, hospital, and circus.
Which is the scariest?
Oh, what's up, guys? Okay, just choose a map. Just choose any of these. Just choose any of the maps.
Green screen. Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys, look, it's my friend.
What are they?
Ah!
It's frozen.
Okay, Monty, choose a map, quick. I want to play.
Wait. What have I done?
Choose a bloody map.
How do I just...
Okay, Monty, follow
Okay.
me. We're gonna go into. Where should we go? Turn around, traitor!
Oh, there we go.
Choose a map. Choose a map.
Oh, school.
School. Good, bad choice. It's apparently meant to be a really scary one.
Oh my god.
Oh. I hate this thing. It makes your eyes go
It's a
really
good
funny.
I want
You
it
would
to
be
be
sent to the
scary.
Camelot room.
Oh.
Yeah, Monty. So basically, what we have to do is we have to turn on 4 red buttons and make them green, and I will show you your girlfriend. Come over here. Look, come on, it's your girlfriend. Just go over there. Go.
What
You
do we
gotta
do?
press 4 buttons. That's your girlfriend right there. That's why I said it's really scary. It's your girlfriend. Oh, she's right there. She's right there. Go. Oh, I'll save you. I'll try to save you. Yeah, this is really hard. Like it's like. Oh. Okay. I'm coming! Monty, I see a gap. Monty, here. She's gone. Monty, come quick. Monty, right, left. Oh!
What?
Juked! Oh, I juked her! I juked her so hard. Oh, she's so scary. What are you even doing? I want me a camera mod.
She'll see me.
How do you? No, I don't want to do that.
Yeah, now if I leave it there. You can see what I'm seeing, Johnny. I don't know how you're meant to...
What am I doing? Is there a signal? I don't know. Okay, how do we compete
Where
this?
do you,
We have
where
to
does it
be
even go?
very strategic. Oh! I'll save you, don't worry, I'll save you. Did you click one? Did you click one? Did you click one? Buttons! Okay, Monty. Those are the 4 buttons we have to click. We have to find 4 across the whole school. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm going in here. Oh, stop going. Ooh! No, we died.
Oh my god.
Flip run. I'll come save you! I'm running.
Oh, they can't get you on top of here. Hey, to hide, you can go on top of the claw.
Can you? Oh, jeez! Oh no, she's so clever. Oh, it's so scary. Flip. Save me, she's really scary. What do we do? She's not gone. Monty, what do we do? What do we actually do? Oh my god. Is she gone?
Okay, guys. We're very sneaky.
Flip, you right there. She knows where you are. She literally can come from anywhere and she'll still see you. Juke! Oh! No, I juked her, but I jumped right on top of her. Bro, it gives me the chills when I get the jump scare. Is it okay if we do a different map? I don't want to do this map, it's too scary.
Yeah, how do you go?
I think we'll have to restart our game. I'm in the big 4 button room. Flip, you right there. Oh,